Vasco basically is made for art and culture. We have done lot of activities during last year. Number one is our major program is the Student Foundation Day. None of the club had given students. We more than 68 students, means we have covered all the Marmugao Taluka students who give their good gesture. Number two, we have organized the Ranga Bhumi Deen. Then we have various programs, and today we have installed our new board. We are in the pipeline continue the old project, plus we are going to organize the talent, art and culture. To promote art and culture, students, the point of taking to the student into and consideration, we are going to have a student of the year, as well as we are going to have one program to train, give a training to art and culture, training to education side and social other activities. There are a lot of projects we made into a pipeline which is going to be carried out in this particular year.